Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Shipwize app. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Shipwize application, when you log out, some of your login information might still be saved. So in order to prevent this and log out safely, long press on the Shipwize application and then tap on the info button. This will now take you into the application info page for Shipwize. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. You can then tap on the storage menu, which will take you into the storage settings. From this page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on delete, which will delete all of your user data for the Shipwize app. Once this process is completed, you can open up the Shipwize application and now you will be told to log into your account or sign up to create a new account, which means that your login information is not saved and you have been logged out successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Shipwize app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.